I'm Andy Steer from NTT Data Business Solutions, one of SAP's largest global partners. In fact, we've been partnering with SAP for over 30 years. As one of the original S/4HANA launch partners, we've been working with customers since the early days back in 2015. What we've seen over the last 2 to 3 years is an increase in interest in S/4HANA, which has resulted in over 400 engagements globally. With the end of mainstream support for ECC 6 being extended to 2027, there was a danger that the urgency may fall away for many customers. But in fact, we've seen exactly the opposite, with more and more customers wanting to embrace the vision of the intelligent enterprise. Whether bringing efficiency and agility to intelligent business processes that leverage automation and machine learning, or leveraging data and analytics to deliver new insights, or whether creating completely new business models that improve the relationships between suppliers and customers, increasingly more and more customers are seeing SAP S/4HANA as the first step in establishing the core of their intelligent enterprise. Some customers are able to leverage our existing SAP investment through a system conversion to SAP S/4HANA. In this case, existing processes, data and customer-specific enhancements can be carried forward to form the foundation of the SAP S/4HANA system that will be at the core of the intelligent enterprise. Typically, these customers want the fastest, lowest risk, most cost-effective route to this system conversion. So what we've done is we've taken the experience from the projects that we've been engaged with customers all over the world, and we've packaged that experience into some IP, which we call the NTT Data Business Solutions Conversion Factory. Our SAP S/4HANA Conversion Factory delivers fixed price, fixed duration conversions to SAP S/4HANA, all managed and delivered by our qualified, experienced SAP consultants. Remember, the Conversion Factory is infrastructure agnostic. Whether on-premise, hyperscaler, public cloud, private cloud, or RISE with SAP, you can be sure that the NTT Data Business Solutions S/4HANA Conversion Factory is the right choice to start your journey to the intelligent enterprise.